This is what I like to call the seated box drill. This is for the quads and hamstrings. So you sit on something with your feet are in the air and put a heavy band, a loop band around your ankles. And I keep one leg back and extend the other one out. All right, so normally I do sets of something like 20 or so. What we're doing here is his left hamstring is doing an isometric contraction and his right quad is doing a concentric and eccentric contraction, right? And then you switch to the other side. So you match whatever you did on the other side, all right? And then the next phase of this would be legs out into full extension. So now you're doing an isometric quad contraction on the left and a hamstring contraction on the right. And same thing, match the sets to whatever you did, the reps to whatever you did in the first round.